There are journeys that show you beauty, and there are journeys that bring you peace. Trang An is one of those rare places. Just 2 hours from Hanoi, in the heart of Ninh Binh, lies a world where rivers wind through ancient mountains, where caves hide temples, and where the air itself feels sacred. Locals call it Ha Long Bay on land, but to travelers, it feels like stepping into a dream. Join VietnamTour.in and let's set out on the Trang An boat tour, a journey of calm waters, sacred stories, and unforgettable views. Trang An is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, not only for its breathtaking beauty, but for the perfect harmony it preserves between nature and humanity. Over millions of years, gentle rivers have carved deep into the limestone mountains, shaping a labyrinth of valleys, hidden caves, and tranquil waterways. As your boat drifts through this serene landscape, you'll pass by ancient pagodas resting at the foot of cliffs, lush rice fields swaying in the breeze, and stone temples that seem to breathe with the stories of Vietnam's spiritual past. Timeless, sacred, and deeply peaceful. The best time to visit Trang An is from late January to May, when the weather is cool and pleasant, the skies are bright, and the rice fields shimmer in shades of green and gold. During these months, the landscape feels alive. Birds glide over calm rivers, lotus flowers bloom along the banks, and the air carries the scent of spring. If you visit during the festive season, you'll witness locals offering incense, hear temple bells echo through the limestone valleys, and feel a quiet sense of magic that makes the whole journey unforgettable. Getting to Trang An is simple and comfortable. From Hanoi, it takes just about 2 hours by car or train to reach Ninh Binh, a peaceful countryside filled with green fields and towering karst mountains. Many travelers prefer booking a private day tour with VietnamTour.in, where everything is thoughtfully arranged, from transportation and entrance tickets to a knowledgeable local guide who brings every mountain, temple, and river to life through stories and legends. At the entrance, you'll find the ticket booth for the Trang An boat tour, the starting point of your peaceful adventure. Each ticket includes a traditional rowboat guided by a friendly local boatwoman and a 2 to 3 hour journey through caves, temples, and emerald waterways. The price, around 250,000 to 300,000 Vietnamese dong per person, is more than reasonable for the experience. A tranquil escape where every ripple on the water, every mountain reflection, and every smile along the river feels priceless. Route 1 is the path of history and faith. Your boat glides through 9 mysterious caves and stops at 3 ancient temples, resting quietly at the foot of the cliffs. Inside, the scent of incense fills the air, and you can almost hear the whispers of centuries past, stories of kings, monks, and devotion carried by the wind. Route 2 takes you deeper into nature's embrace. The river winds through towering limestone valleys, past green rice fields, and echoing caverns once used as the filming location for Kong, Skull Island. It feels almost unreal, like drifting through a living movie set where every frame is painted by sunlight and mist. And Route 3, a perfect blend of both, leads you through peaceful temples, shimmering waterways, and grand mountain views that seem endless. It's a journey that awakens your senses and calms your soul. No matter which route you choose, one thing is certain: the beauty of Trang An will stay with you. Like a quiet melody, you'll keep hearing long after your boat has touched the shore. As the boat moves, you'll float through mysterious caves, low ceilings shimmering with droplets, cool air touching your face. Outside, the sunlight returns, revealing green valleys, ancient temples, and herons flying above the water. You might stop at the Tran Temple, where locals come to honor national heroes, or explore the Kong movie set, surrounded by mountains that seem to rise straight from dreams. Every corner feels like a painting, quiet, sacred, alive. After your boat tour, spend some time exploring nearby attractions. Visit Bai Dinh Pagoda, the largest Buddhist complex in Vietnam, with hundreds of statues and a towering golden Buddha. Or head to Tam Kok, another breathtaking boat route surrounded by rice fields. For a panoramic view, climb to the top of Moa Cave viewpoint, where you can see the entire valley of Ninh Binh stretching out like a painting. A few simple tips can make your Trang An journey even more memorable. Start your trip early in the morning when the air is cool, the river is calm, and the crowds haven't yet arrived. The soft sunlight at dawn paints the water in shades of gold. It's the most peaceful time to begin your adventure. Bring a hat, sunscreen, and some water with you, as the sun can be gentle but steady when you're out on the open river. Keep your camera ready because every turn reveals a new, picture-perfect view. But be careful inside the caves. The ceilings are low and the light fades into a mysterious glow. And most importantly, don't forget to smile and talk with your boat woman. She's not just rowing, she's sharing her life, her stories, and her connection to this land. In her rhythm and laughter, you'll feel the true heart of Trang An, warm, patient, and endlessly welcoming. In Trang An, beauty doesn't rush. It flows gently, like the river itself. Between the mountains and the water, between silence and song, you'll find something deeply human. Peace. Here, time slows down just enough for you to breathe, to listen, and to feel truly present. Plan your journey with VietnamTour.in, where every detail, from private transport to authentic Indian meals, is crafted with care and understanding. Whether you seek tranquility, culture, or a touch of adventure, we'll make sure your experience flows as beautifully as the river of Trang An. And before you leave, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us for more travel stories across Vietnam, where every journey is not just seen, but deeply felt.